Hi there, welcome to Carlisle Audi. I'll be taking you on a tour today of this Mini Cooper S Sport with the Steptronic gearbox and finished in the Lapis luxury blue paintwork. This features a 2-litre petrol engine producing 192 PS, really capturing the essence of performance. The front of the vehicle comes fitted with the LED headlights with a closed ring daytime run light, which uses a fantastic technology illuminating the road ahead of you regardless of any weather conditions. Being a Cooper S, this does feature the John Cooper Works aerodynamic pack, giving it a nice sporty and aggressive look, and it sits beautifully on a set of 17-inch John Cooper Works track spoke alloy wheels with the gloss black finish, really complementing the overall exterior styling of this hot little hatch exceptionally well. You've got the privacy glass to the rear, as well as the black window surrounds and contrast black roof, adding to that aggressive look. As we head towards the interior, upon opening the door, we've got the full cloth John Cooper Works upholstery, and there's plenty of legroom back here for your rear passengers, which it can accommodate. It also features the ISO ChildFix anchor points, which makes fitting child seats very easy if you need to do on any journey. Taking a step back from the Mini Cooper, it's a fantastic looking vehicle, and from personal experience it drives exceptionally well. The rear of the vehicle comes fitted with the Union Jack headlights with dynamic braking. It also features the double exhaust tailpipe, which is the central location, a very iconic addition on the Mini Cooper S. The tailgate opens to reveal a fairly generous boot space with tethering points to help you secure any items down. You'll be able to fit any shopping or personal items in here, and it's very easy to load thanks to the low load lip. The seat also conveniently fold down in case you need to carry any larger items. To the rear of the vehicle as well, it features the John Cooper Works aerodynamic spoiler, and as we head towards the front of the vehicle before concluding my tour, we're greeted with a leather-wrapped multifunction control steering wheel, which is a John Cooper Works edition, a very clean driver-focused interior, and the front sport seats are the John Cooper Works style and are very comfortable and provide lots of support as well as adjustment for any longer journey you may wish to venture out on. That completes my walk around the exterior of this Mini Cooper S. Please stay around for the second part of the video where I'll be heading inside and showcasing you the technology that it has to offer. Starting off the tour with the multifunction control steering wheel. On the right hand side we've got media functions such as volume adjustment and hands-free calling, and to the left we've got your controls which activate the cruise control function, which is great for those longer journeys. Heading into the centre of the console now, this is where you'll find housed the mini infotainment system, providing a whole list of applications for you to select from. You've got the Mini Connected for driver convenience. As we come back out, you then go around to the notifications section, which gives you updates on any notifications from messages, etc. You've also got communication, which gives you the option to connect your phone via Bluetooth, which is a great feature for when you're looking to make or receive calls on the go. It also features the media and radio inputs, so we do have DAB, FM, as well as Bluetooth connectivity for your own media playback. Heading to the DAB section, we do have a list of your favourite radio stations for you to choose from, and you can even store your favourites for added convenience. We've also got the satellite navigation function, which gives you a crisp and clear display of the route ahead once it has been entered. As you can see from the display, it's very easy to read this sat-nav unit, and it will give you live updates and information whilst on the journey. Finally, we can go into the My Mini section, which gives you updates and vehicle information such as service history. And as you can see from this one, it does have a full service history, which gives you the reassurance that this car has been looked after. Continuing the tour then, you've got your volume adjustment to the centre, as well as mode select for your media function, track selection, as well as preset radio station availability. Underneath that, we do have your dual zone climate control for both driver and passenger, allowing each to set their own ambient temperature in the vehicle, and you can also change the fan speed and direction. Also featuring the 3-stage heated seat function, this is a great feature to have on any colder winter morning. You do have a few quick select toggles with aeroplane style, such as your sports mode, as well as starter ignition. And as mentioned, it features the Steptronic gearbox, which is an automatic gearbox and drives exceptionally well. Just below that, you've got your control wheel, which helps you navigate through the mini infotainment system. It does feature the manual handbrake, and it also has the central armrest, which is adjustable and stowaway. Features some under tray storage, adding to the practicality and comfort that this Mini can provide you. That completes my full walk around this used Mini Cooper S Sport with the Steptronic gearbox. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, call us now on 01228 371 516. Thank you.